Hey everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Livy, or Liv. You might know me from my Instagram, which is at liv-home. So thank you so much for coming onto my channel if you have come from my Instagram. I have been thinking about making a YouTube channel for so long now, months probably, and my friends keep telling me to do it and everything, and I thought now that we're in lockdown it'll be the perfect chance. So yeah, this is going to be a video all about my spring favourites and just some pieces that I've bought recently. I think they're all pretty current. I have photographed them all on my Instagram, and I will put like a photo of each item on the screen when I'm talking about it if I can work out how to edit that in. And so yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start with the shoes. This pair of pink heels from H&M. Now these were only like £18 or something, and they're really good value and they're not too high and they fit so well, and I got them to match with the top that I'm going to show you later on. And yeah, I just can't recommend these enough. They're like a faux suede, and I did get them all quite muddy, but I've cleaned them all off and they look practically brand new. So definitely a good buy for spring. I love a pop of colour. It's this pair of trainers. Now my Instagram went mad when I posted a picture about these. People just loved them and I can see why. So they are these baby pink Nike trainers with like a darker pink stripe and a bit at the back. And they are just the nicest trainers I think I've ever seen. They are so nice for spring. They go so well with jeans, even like skirts, dresses, anything like that. I just adore them. So yeah, I will put a link in the description to these. These are from Foot Locker. I think they're about £55. So really good buy for spring. I'm obsessed with them. So New Look have some amazing spring pieces in at the moment. On my Instagram I've actually posted more of their dresses and stuff. But I wanted to focus on these three items because I think they're really great everyday pieces. So the first one is this sage green bodysuit with these ruffled sleeves. It's so flattering on. I love the scoop neckline. I always size up in bodysuits because I have such a long torso that otherwise they're just like too short on me. So I think I got this in a size 12, yeah. And it's just the prettiest sage green colour. I'm obsessed with this colour for spring. I think it will look lovely with jeans, skirts. I'll pop a picture up of how I styled it on my Instagram. But yeah, definitely a good buy. I think this was really cheap as well, like £12 or something like that. So sorry if the chair keeps squeaking. I'm very new to this and I didn't realise it would make such a racket. The next item is also from New Look, and I got it in two colours. I got the white, which I'm obsessed with. I love these puffy sleeves. These are definitely still current in stores, or well, online because no one can go out to stores, but love this one with blue jeans. My pink Gucci belt looks lovely with it. Pink Gucci bag, anything pink I love with white. Yeah, just love this one. And then I also got it in the camel colour, and I love this colour. Again, this is lovely with jeans or skirts. These are just so versatile. You can dress them up with some jewellery and some heels. You can dress it down with trainers. I adore them. They're so comfortable, so easy to wear. The first one is this absolutely stunning play suit. It's so flowy. I just absolutely love how it looks on. It's got these long flowy sleeves with like a bell sleeve detail there. And yeah, it's quite snug, and I got this in a size 10 and it is quite short on me, and there's not much give, so there's so maybe size up in this one. But I love the neckline. It just reminds me of like one of those princesses who wear those big ball gowns in the olden days, and they have these lovely neckline and long sleeves, and it's all very flowy. It's just so beautiful. And yeah, I think this was £35. Definitely a good one for any spring weddings or parties. So that is the first item from Misguided. I will also pop pictures of this one up. So this one is a one shoulder dress, and it's super flowy, again, same kind of material. And this one ties around the waist and it looks absolutely stunning on. I just love this one. And I love the long arm. I think it's beautiful. So yeah, I wasn't really one for one shoulder things, but I'm obsessed with this one. and would definitely recommend it. I think this was 35 as well. So they're really good prices for something you can really dress up if you want to. And yeah, I'll put a picture of this one up because you can see it better when it's on. First thing is this absolutely stunning top. Again, you can see I'm loving the sleeves. So this is a bright pink, sorry that's the wrong way around, bright pink little t-shirt. It's cropped. So it looks really nice with a black skirt and those pink heels, as you can see, match so well with it. Unreal. And again, this would look really nice with the trainers actually, and you know, jeans. Absolutely adore this top. It's so nice. So this is such a Zara staple, I feel like. So it's this leopard print bodysuit. It is so nice, and it's double lined, so you don't really have to wear a bra with it if you don't want to, and I really like that about this because otherwise it's a bit awkward to get one. And the neckline's really lovely. It looks amazing with jeans. Again, another one you can layer with blazers and a mini skirt and some heels. It would look really lovely with white jeans, anything really. I just love this for summer. I think it goes really well with this pink colour as well. But I also think it goes amazing with the item I'm about to show you. So again, from Zara. Also, these are really cheap. I think they're like $8.99 or something. So a really good buy from Zara. Next item is these amazing jeans. So I love these because they are quite cropped and they're super comfy. They're like really elasticated around the waist, and yeah, they're not the longest jeans, and I've got quite long legs, so they do come up quite short on me, but I adore them, and I'll put a picture of these up as well. These were $25.99, I think, something like that. Such a good buy for spring. This sage green colour I'm just obsessed with, as I said earlier. So yeah, I miss going to Zara. That's one thing about lockdown. I really miss like browsing the shops and stuff. It's not the same online, as we all know. Zara's website isn't the best. But that's definitely a good buy for spring. And that is everything I've got for clothes and shoes. So now I'm going to show you my newest bag. So I bought my first designer bag last September. Last December. I got it in Selfridges in London when we went to Winter Wonderland. Afterwards, I decided I wanted to finally buy my first bag, and I bought the Gucci Marmont pink one, which you'll probably see all over my Instagram. And I'm obsessed with that. And then I got the purse for Christmas, and I love the matching set, and I've got the belt for my birthday. So yeah, I love that pink. But then I thought what I really wanted was a black bag, like a black leather bag, like crossbody, that I could use like every day. And I decided on a Saint Laurent one. Did I say that right? I hope I did. I'm not very good with pronouncing things, as you'll probably learn. But it comes in this gorgeous dust bag, and I got this from Selfridges. Yeah, ordered it again. So this was, just for reference, $790, which is a lot, I know, but I am collecting bags now. They're my new favourite thing, and yeah, I've already got my eye on another one, but I'll probably do another video about that. So this is what it looks like, and it's so gorgeous. I'm just obsessed with it. So it's got a black leather chain detail here, and then a lovely gold chain, and then it is gold hardware. It's got this most like beautiful tassel I've ever seen, and it says Saint Laurent all on the tassel at the top, which is so lovely. At the back, just a little pocket, and it's the nicest leather ever, and it feels so durable. It doesn't look like it's going to get scratched. It's not like that really soft lambskin, which I know a lot of bags are. It's just one that I thought would be really useful for an everyday bag, just when you're going shopping. I will try it on and show you how long it is. It's kind of turned into an unboxing, but I did want to show you this bag. So that's how it looks. Excuse me. It's just the perfect size. I feel like it's just so nice. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this bag. I always stuff my bags. I make sure that they keep their shape. So the inside is a very soft leather, and I have heard some people say that they find the inside gets quite scratched, damaged, but I am so careful with my bags. I don't think I'm too worried about that happening. It does have a little card holder inside, but I probably won't use that because I'll use my Gucci purse when I go out. But yeah, it's just the most beautiful bag. I really can't recommend it enough. And yeah, it's just made me fall in love with YSL and, well, Saint Laurent now, but I just love everything they do. some of the nicest bags I've ever seen. So yeah, that was my new bag for spring, which I'm super excited about. And now let's move on to some skincare bits that I've been buying recently. I actually have a whole 2 new orders coming in of skincare and stuff that I got from Ellie Darby. She did a story and she said they were her favourite pieces, and because I love the other pieces she recommended, I just ordered a bunch. I spent way too much money on skincare recently, but I just think it's really important. So the first thing I bought was the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and I can't tell you how obsessed I am with this cream. So here's what it looks like on the inside. It's just the most luxurious like cream I've ever used. It makes your skin so soft, clears it up. It just is, it's amazing. I can't recommend it enough. I know it's expensive, but I do think it's worth it. And I did have one of her lipsticks before, which I'm still loving. This is the Kim KW shade. The perfect nude, I think. I haven't actually got it on today, but I do love this one. And then I also bought her Magic Serum, which again, I just adore. I will film a full skincare routine and show you how I use all the products and everything, but this serum really is amazing. It is worth the money. I ordered her night cream because they sent me a sample of the night cream. This is much thicker, as Ellie said in her video. It's much thicker than the Magic Cream, and it does feel quite sticky on the skin, but it really moisturises. So if you put this on overnight and you sleep in it, you wake up with such soft skin, it's worth it. And as you can see, like even with makeup, like you can still see, I think, that my skin's quite glowy underneath. It has made a huge difference because I have really dry skin. And then I also got the Multi Miracle Glow sample. And again, you can sleep in this, or you can use it like a face mask, or you can use it like a cleanser. Another product I think is amazing. And I also have been using the Clinique Moisture Surge Eye, because I did have the full size Moisture Surge cream, but then when I ran out I bought the Charlotte Magic Cream, Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, sorry. But this is a really lovely eye cream. I've ordered the Charlotte Tilbury eye cream to replace this when it runs out, and I'm excited to try that because I thought I'd like to try all her products and, you know, have the whole collection. And something else I ordered recently is this eyelash serum from UK Lash. Now in the summer I'm planning on wearing like a lot less makeup and just having like really glowy like skin with like really good skincare, and I thought if I had long lashes I wouldn't feel like I need to wear fake ones. So I have used an eyelash serum before and it did really make my eyelashes grow, but this is a new one I haven't seen before. It's called UK Lash, and what you do is you apply it once a day like eyeliner on your top lid. It looks like that, and it's meant to make your eyelashes grow thicker, longer, and just healthier. So I'm really excited to see the benefits of using this, and I will let you guys know if it does work. And yeah, I think that's everything for my spring favourites. Just a few items I've been loving recently, and yeah, I'm really excited to have started this YouTube channel. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I will put it on the screen now. Yeah, it would mean a lot. So thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video.